Hey y'all, this is Craig Sloan with American Pride Roofing. Well, we knew it was coming and it came last night. We got hail. Been running around already today. Got out early this morning, been on a couple of roofs, giving some quotes to people, showing them pictures of the damage. But I wanted to take a second here because there is a lot of roofers running around knocking doors, and that's fine. I mean, you're gonna have to hire somebody to fix your roof. I hope it's me. Certainly give me a call. We will take good care of you. The number's on our Facebook page. There's a lot of things that we do that's a lot different. But one thing that I wanted to talk about right now, because it's what's happening right now, is there's a lot of roofers running around trying to get homeowners to sign what's called a contingency contract or contingency agreement. And basically what this is a their effort to lock you in to using them, or make you think that you're locked into using them. Sometimes they're upfront about what it means. Whenever they hand it to you, they may say, hey, this just says that if your insurance approves that you will use us to replace your roof. There is no reason at all for you to sign that. None. You lose nothing by not signing it. Now, for them, and the reason that they do this is because they want to try and lock you in or make you think that you're locked in to just using them, eliminating your ability to shop around for with other roofers. Don't do it. Don't do it. Like I said, you lose nothing. Will that contract stand up if it went through court? Probably not. Most of the time they don't give you all the disclaimers that are supposed to be on there. And the state of Texas actually went out after a roofer a couple of years ago that was trying to inflict the penalties of someone not following through with their contingency agreement, and fined them pretty heavily. And that roofer is still in business, but I know that they took a big hit from that. We at American Pride Roofing, we don't ask for you to sign a contingency agreement. The only time that I'm going to ask for your signature is after you've got your insurance paperwork, you know how much it's costing you, you know what insurance is paying, and you vetted me and you know you're going to go forward with me. Then and only then, before I buy materials, do I ask you to sign the quote that I give you. The other thing is we don't take any money up front. That's something very important that's coming down the road in the next week or two. People are going to be getting their checks. Don't hand it to a roofer. I'll do a more in-depth thing on that. But for now, for today, if you've got hail damage, number one, please call me. I'll be glad to come out there and do a free inspection and leave a quote on site at that moment. And then, but number two, if you talk to any other roofer, do not sign anything that they hand you, no matter what they say it's for. Sometimes they'll try to bamboozle you a little bit and say, here, sign this so that I can work with your insurance company. They don't need your signature to work with your insurance company. They may say, here, sign this so that just acknowledging that I can get on your roof. Don't sign it. Don't sign it. That's it. So we're going to be out all day today. We're working tomorrow, and of course full swing on Monday. If you need any help, please give me a call. Like I said, the number's on the Facebook page, and we'll take good care of you. We really are a different company. We do it quite a bit different, and hope you give me a chance to show you. All right. Thanks, guys. Be careful and be warm today. Bye-bye.